Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to learn past continuous tense, the second form of past tense. After simple past tense we are going to learn past continuous tense. Its code number is serial number is 6. Okay, so far we have covered all the four forms of present tense and the first form of past tense, they are over. Now the second form of past tense is past continuous tense. Okay, this is also very important. And here we go now. So what is the formula? Formula is very simple. So what are the B forms of past tense? These are the B forms: was or were. Take the B forms first of all. B forms of past tense: was or were plus continuous means V1 plus ing form. Continuous means always. Continuous means V1 plus ing form. That's it. Ing form is added to V1 only, not to V1, V2 or V3. Okay, we say going, we don't say venting. Seeing, we don't say sighing. Okay, so V1 plus ing. This is past, this is continuous. Together, past continuous tense. Okay, so was for singular, were for plural. I was, he was, they were, we were, the students were, he was going, they were going, he was playing, they were playing, he was preparing, they were preparing. So was or were plus V1 plus ing form. This is the formula. Now coming to usage. So when should we use it? What is the usage of this particular formula? The usage is very simple. This tense is used to indicate an action, which was in progress, at a point in the past, Okay, it was in progress, it was going on, it was continuing, it was going on at a point in the past. For that kind of action, for such kind of actions, we use past continuous tense. Okay, so it was going on at a point in the past, not in the present, not in the future. Past. Examples. If you look at the examples, it will be very clear. Okay, yesterday at this time, yesterday by this time. Okay, yesterday at this time we dash watch an IPL match. We dash watch an IPL match. Yesterday at this time we. So what is the B form here for we? We is plural. To take were, we were, watch plus ing, watching. We were watching. Okay. Yesterday at this time we were watching an IPL match. Watch is given in bracket. So what we have to write is were watching. How do we know? This is one indication. Yesterday at this time, this is one indication. Only yesterday means simple past tense, that we already learned. Okay, yesterday I saw a movie. Yesterday he bought a car. Yesterday he sold his old house. He sold his old car, like that. Only yesterday means V2, simple past tense. But here some extension is there. Yesterday at this time, yesterday at 10 a.m., yesterday at 9 p.m. So extension is there. So we have to extend the tense form also. Instead of V2, instead of simple past tense, we have to use past continuous tense. Okay. Now coming to the second one. Last Sunday at 10 a.m. Last Sunday at 10 a.m. Only last Sunday means last Sunday we went to the zoo, last Sunday we went to a movie, last Sunday we went to a cafe, last Sunday we went to a restaurant. That's over. Last Sunday, and extension is given at 10 a.m. Particular time is also given. Past and particular plus particular time is also, point is also given. So this point is given. Yesterday at 10 a.m. they dash play cricket. They were, for they, what we have to take? So between these two, one we have to take were, play plus ing form, playing. They were playing. Okay, that is the answer. Very simple. Last Sunday at 10 a.m. they were playing cricket. We were playing cricket. Last Sunday at 10 a.m. they were traveling by air. They were going to Ooty. They were going to Kashmir. They were writing the exam. They were writing the online test. They were attending the online class, like that. When I saw my cousin, when I saw my cousin, when I opened the door, when I visited him, when I saw my cousin, what he was doing? He dashed sleep. He singular. So take was. Sleep plus ing form, sleeping. He was sleeping. When I visited, he was sleeping. When I saw her, she was washing dishes. She was preparing tea. She was sleeping. She was doing her homework. When is the indication? While coming to the next one, while she dashed across the road, she saw a snake. While she singular was. So cross plus ing form, crossing. While she was crossing the road, she saw a snake. While he was crossing the road, he met with an accident. Coming to the next one. So while is the indication here? When, again when. When we entered the hall, the phone dash ring. The phone was ringing. The phone was ringing. Okay. When I entered the hall, the phone was ringing, 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 ringing. Okay. The phone was ringing. So when is the indication? So simple indications are very simple. When or while. Sometimes past tense with any point of time. Okay, so past tense with any point of time. Yesterday at this time, last Sunday by this time, last summer at this time, last March at this time, last Sankranti, last Ramzan at this time, and when or while. Usually these are the indications. When you come across these words, please use past continuous tense. And one more indication is very simple. So here, for example, when we enter the hall, enter means it's a matter of 1 second, short duration. One is a short duration, shorter duration. The phone was ringing, ringing, ringing. That is a longer duration, longer duration. So one is a shorter duration, another one is longer duration. So when two actions are given, for this kind of actions are given, one is of shorter duration, one is of longer duration. Usually for the shorter duration we use V2, simple past tense. For a longer duration we use past continuous tense. Okay, past continuous tense. When the soldiers were sleeping, Sher Shah killed them. Okay, Sher Shah killed the soldiers while they were sleeping. Longer duration. Killed means matter of 1 second, 2 seconds. Okay, so he killed them while they were sleeping. Like that, when we were preparing for exams, the power went out, the light went out. When we were reading the newspaper, suddenly he entered the hall.